In Onshape, there are lots of uses for mate connectors. One of those uses is creating section views. Here I am in an assembly. I want to create a section. On the right-hand side, I can click on the drop-down list for camera and render options. At the bottom, we have the section view command. A tooltip opens. It's going to go away in a second, but it says I can select a plane, planar face, cylinder, cone, or a mate connector. Since I am in an assembly, I don't have planes like right, top, or front, but maybe I want to create one going through a cylindrical surface. Let me select this one. And in this case, I get my section going in a different way. Rather than using the arrows to manipulate it, I could use a pre-existing mate connector instead. And one of the advantages of using a mate connector is that there is a lot of manipulation that you can do with the mate connectors. Let me cancel out. I'm going to select the mate connector and let me right mouse click so I can edit the mate connector. I have it going through the cylinder, but I've realigned it. You also have the option to move it. If I check that, you can see that we have options for translating in X, Y, and Z, and then adding a rotation angle. But I'm not going to move it. Let me cancel out of changing it. Let me go to the camera and render options once more and choose section view. And for my section plane, I will select that mate connector. And now I'm getting my cross section going exactly the way that I want it to, or I could use a different mate connector. Let me remove the previous choice and instead grab this other mate connector. Now I have it going through the other cylindrical surface down at the bottom. I changed my mind. I want it going through the first one. Let me select it. And in this way, I'm able to configure my section view exactly the way that I want it to be.